So I just bought this Maplin's disc repair and cleaning kit. I've got some PS2 games I want to run through it. I've never tried one of these before, so if it works. This cost me 30 quid. You can pay up to £1,000 for one of these machines, so I'm not expecting this to be brilliant. But you got buffing, repairing, cleaning, buffing of the pink discs. I don't really know what buffing is, I suppose it's just light scratches. Repairing, I'm hoping it's going to be heavy scratches. It's the yellows, and then the blues just for cleaning. So I'll try this motorised disc cleaner repair kit. Oh, you got two fluids as well. One's for cleaning, and this one's for disc repair. So how much you use, I don't know. 2 small drops of repair fluid on the right side. So on the right hand side, I'll put 2 drops and I'll put a disc in. See how good it goes. I don't know how long for actually. So basically it stops automatically. Retrieve the disc to finish the process. Always clean the buffing pads with the included mini brush after use. Alright, let's give it a try. So that's the disc before pouring it in. It's quite scratched, I don't know if you can pick that up, but it is skipping as well. So hopefully get it working, because it's me Medal of Honour Rising Sun. I put 2 dabs on, perhaps a bit too much, but we'll find out. The on and off button don't seem to be working on it, but whether it turns itself off I don't know. Let's find out. Just leave it. Okay, so it's done. It did turn itself off, so it must have been shut off mid-cycle before. With a second hand, so let's have a look what job it did. Can't say I'm too impressed like, but I'll give it another spin, try it again, and then I think I'll buff it and then clean it. So we'll go through that process again and then the other 2 processes and see what it finishes out like. Well, that's done. I've been through all the discs, buffed it, well repaired it, then buffed it and cleaned it. Twice I repaired it, well put it through the repair cycle. So let's have a look. I think this one's a little bit too flimsy. I don't think these would hold up over a lot of use. If you've got to do it 3 times for every CD, and I've got like about 70 to do, but I have got the upgraded version of this coming, so I'll compare it to it when it comes. But anyway, this is the finished job. I mean, it ain't too bad. I'll have a look at the video as well, look at the before and after. In fact, I should have took a photo now, but I didn't. I'll try and pull them out. So I reckon if you had some pretty lightly scuffed discs and you ain't got too many to do, that'd be a good machine. If you're like me, you got 50 to do and you're going to have to put them in and out 3 or 4 times, and things might start breaking. So I've got the better version of this coming, and hopefully it is better. So, but anyway, I'll carry on.